Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to transfer funds from Robinhood to your bank account. First, ensure your bank account is properly linked and verified within the Robinhood app. This crucial initial step guarantees a smooth process. Once linked, you can easily initiate a transfer. Remember, these transfers typically take about 3 to 5 business days to fully process and appear in your bank account. To begin, open your Robinhood app and navigate to the Transfers section. From there, you will select the option Transfer to your bank. Make sure to choose the correct linked bank account where you want the funds deposited. Finally, enter the specific amount you wish to withdraw, ensuring it does not exceed your available settled cash balance. Before finalizing your transfer, always double-check your linked bank account details to prevent any delays. Be aware that larger withdrawals, especially those over $50,000, may require additional verification steps from Robinhood. It is also important to remember that only settled funds are available for transfer. Unsettled funds from recent sales will not be immediately accessible. Once you have reviewed everything, confirm the transfer details and submit your request. Robinhood will then process your withdrawal, and you can monitor your linked bank account for the incoming deposit. It is a straightforward process designed for your convenience. Also, for other great deals and to make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers, be sure to check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.